Hello everyone, I'm Rohini Saran and I'm presently Program Advisor in Nutrition at Path India while supporting the South Asian countries. Over the past 16 years, my journey has been deeply intertwined with working for women and child nutrition, fueling my passion for a positive change in this field. Today, I'm excited to share with you insights from my project undertaken during this journey. The genesis of my project comes from the fact that we navigate through rapidly evolving social landscapes. It's become increasingly evident that fostering inclusivity is of strategic advantage. Today, I'm eager to delve into how we can collectively champion inclusive leadership to catalyze institutional change and create environments where every voice is heard, valued, and empowered. My project is deeply personal to me. It's about promoting women to leadership roles and within the social impact organizations. Ambidextrous leadership, a term coined in 2004, balances tradition with innovation, which is the key to our success. I've seen how this approach can drive sustainable outcomes, and I'm eager to share these insights with you. For my why, allow me to introduce you to some real life stories through a short video. These narratives have profoundly impacted me and reaffirmed why inclusive leadership matters. They are not just anecdotes, they're powerful reminders of the impact that we can make.
I believe opportunities to network and go around in the community, talk about your work, is something that is a barrier for me as a woman.
So lack of employee recognition.
One of the biggest barriers that I understand that women face in the workplace is lack of role models.
So I work in public health sector, which is as it is dominated by male leaders. So as a young professional, I find it difficult to break those hierarchies and reach that level where I can also be a leader.
That equal opportunities are missing. At the time of recruitment at leadership positions, why women are asked questions like who will take care of the kid, will you be able to travel, who will take care of your home, work-life balance. And
being a working woman in 2024, it has given us a lot of opportunities. The world is moving towards inclusivity, but there are many gaps that can be fulfilled, and we can surely assure that there is more security when the woman is on field and is working with the communities. Or maybe
I feel our opinion should be taken up as an opinion and not based on the number of years of experience, and especially because of the gender.
Women at the workplace should feel inclusiveness at their work. There should be more inclusivity in the workplace. We work at the same par, the men and the women, but by this we'll be feel more valued, which is missing.
I feel is whether it's a man or a woman, any lack of opportunity is basically lack of empowerment. And especially when it comes to a woman, is stereotyping her for her gender and her limitations to actually fulfill those dreams, for me, is a big barrier.
If the men and women in the leadership are more considerate towards household responsibilities of the women, I think then they can give the best of themselves to the both worlds.
That women in leadership really have to constantly prove their leadership skills, even in spite of having all the ranks and the positions and the grades that they have.
But I see that lot of men, lot of when we think of hiring someone, it comes to my mind and to other colleagues' mind that why not to go for a the male candidate, because we need to stay long, we need to stay. But I have seen that, and recently we had few female colleagues, and I have seen that they are, they manage both work at the office and at the home.
Based on collective thoughts and experiences, my implementation design outlined a systematic approach and design thinking elements, fostering a culture of belongingness, equity, and respect. Incorporating diverse perspective enriches decision-making and innovation, which I have tried to utilize in my implementation design. Data collected from 30 respondents across all demographic informs my initial findings, revealing trends and challenges faced by women in leadership positions from social impact organizations. Early insights reveal interesting data. 28% of women were unaware of their market value, highlighting the need for awareness and salary transparency initiatives. Only 35% of respondents reported to female leaders versus 70% who were managed by male leaders. Challenges for women in leadership include work-life balance and office politics, etc., as highlighted by 76% of the respondents. Addressing these challenges requires organizational support and cultural shifts. 24% of women remained unsure for access of a mentor, which correlated to 24% of women who were not in leadership positions. When we talk about gender, discrimination affected 38% of women at work, prompting discussions on inclusive policies, diversity training to foster a more inclusive workplace culture. Mental health is often overlooked, and that requires an ambidextrous framework. Despite available programs, 76% of women don't access mental health services, and 56% women feel stigma at work to raise mental health issues. Implementing mental health awareness campaigns and support systems is essential for employees' well-being, as 50% of the women felt there was no support system. Insights into the potential framework components and implementation challenges, such as organization size, existing policies, inform my strategic planning and resource allocation. Development of the framework is ongoing, with much work is still that needs to be done. Collaboration with stakeholders and continuous feedback loops are essential for an iterative improvement. Finally, through this journey, I've experienced significant personal and professional growth, honing my leadership skills and expanding my capacity to lead with authentic inclusivity, strategy, and impact. Moving forward, I am committed to sustaining the momentum of this project and my leadership growth by continuing to prioritize these 4 pillars in all aspects of my work and by serving as a catalyst for positive change within my team, my organization, and beyond. As I reflect on this leadership journey, I'm inspired by the progress we've made and energized by the possibilities that lie ahead. Together, we can continue to strive for excellence, embrace diversity, and lead with purpose to create a brighter future for all. Thank you so much.